Hello all, this particular video we are going to explore the Cardano Explorer, which is a blockchain explorer. I mean the Cardano scan. This is a blockchain explorer which actually query the blockchain of the Cardano and show that in a front end via some APIs in order to make sense out of the data which is actually getting stored in the blockchain. All the transactions we can explore, all the data we can explore and stuffs like that. If you see, there is a mainnet transaction also pre-poured. So basically it is like, there is a testnet which is available in Cardano. In that the software testing before it is pushing to the mainnet or the production server, we will do some transaction and test the software. Whoever is actually into the software development sector, they are actually aware of what is the testnet and what is a mainnet. Like it's a testnet basically is like a testnet environment in which you could actually see what and all happening, and where you could actually test the data with a group of developers or the testers, test the thing whether the software is going to perform as expected, or is there any glitches, is there any bugs is there which has to be fixed before going into the development server, and all those things are actually happening in the test environment. So in the in the development, I mean in the blockchain thing, we call it as a testnet. So there we could actually get some testnet tokens, and without spending actual money, we could actually test the software stuff and things like that in the testnet environment. And once it is done, and once everybody is agreed upon the mathematical abstraction of the code that could work as expected in the development server, we will be ready to push. So there is a mainnet and testnet port is available in the Cardano scan. Similar way, you could switch between the testnet and mainnet in the Nami wallet as well. In Nami wallet there is a button that allows us to switch between the testnet and mainnet. So this is the basic overview. Like let us see what and all been mentioned over here. Here we can see a policy ID, fingerprint, asset name, transaction count, and the date which it has been created. Like the policy ID is the ID of the policy where the token has been minted, and the fingerprint is also there, and the asset name is this is the ASCII code of the asset name. If you do a shell abstraction of this stuff, you could actually see the Eduladder token is in this way is been represented in the ASCII code, and this is the total number of the transaction count which is actually done in the Eduladder token. How many transactions is been done so far? This is when I'm doing this on the October 4, 1331, 131. That is in that time there is only 766 transactions are been done in the Eduladder token, and this is representing the date in which the token is been actually minted into the mainnet and which came into the existence. So this has been done 4 months ago when I'm doing on October 4, and this is the name of the token, and what is this token is actually meant to, and this is the website of the particular token. If you visit that website, you could see what and all is been there, and this is the total supply that is 45 billion, and this is decimals. Like decimals means after dot how many zeros are there. This is been this is called decimal places. So how many times the token can be actually divisible, that is after dot it is been represented, that is called the decimal stuff over here. And these are the transactions. You can see a transaction hash, and this is the hash, and this is the wallet where the transactions has been happened. If you press on that wallet, you could see how many total stake is there, and how many rewards are available. All those stuffs are available in the stake details, and if you press on view all address, how many addresses are been actually minted to that particular how many addresses are available in that particular wallet. This is the one address, and that is hold this many of ADA, and how many transactions counts has been actually done in that particular address over here also can be explored. And if we go back and let's see, if we go back and see, for example, if we go back and see this particular wallet, and in that particular wallet how many addresses are there is been can be explored here. And these are the addresses which is available in that particular wallet. And if you press on that address, how many tokens, total tokens also is, how many total tokens are available in that particular address is there also available here. Here the token balance is 0, but some addresses there are many other tokens, NFTs, and all those stuffs we could actually see in this token balance over here. Let's go back. So when we are exploring the Eduladder token, there are other tokens also available which is live in the Cardano blockchain. This is Wing Riders token, Adois, and MMGR, and all those stuffs are there. And let's see what the top holders of this particular token, how many addresses are actually holding this particular token. In one single page there is 20 is being shown, and if you press on view all, we could switch between the pages. In this page there is 20 addresses is been shown, and if you press on the next, the next page will be shown. In that it is showing how many addresses are having how many amount of the token. And this is the page 3 here, like totally 46 addresses are available, because in a single page there is only 20 addresses has been visible, and here it is like the similar way there is 2 pages like that it is there. And in this we can see there is 6 addresses are available. In that 6 addresses, each addresses, so there is total 6, so it will be comes to totally 46. If you press on this particular address, you could actually see what are the other tokens also this particular address is holding. Let's see, let's check out. So see total ADA balance over there in this particular address is this many, and there is total token on ping ups and Eduladder token. These are the total 2 tokens which is available in this particular address, and all the wallet and transactions and stuffs like that is been visible in the in this particular thing. And from this stuff, if you have any questions, you could actually comment in the video which you are seeing, and if there is any questions which can be answerable, we will be answering the same. Thank you for watching.